So yeah, I've had to cancel a job today because my son isn't very well. So instead of doing nothing, I thought I'd fit an outside light. I thought I'd fit an outdoor sensor because that one has had it. Plus, it's annoyed me for a while because it's been like this since I moved in. Basic insulation. Not basic. Twin and earth, so it's not designed for outside. So I'm going to swap it over and automate the lights. Just get this set up here. Don't know how this will look on the camera. So I switched everything off. Comes off simply like that. Wow, got all sorts of insects coming out of there. Right, let's see if I can get rid of this spider without hurting it. There, it's gone. If the camera wasn't here, I'd be screaming. Impact. Don't know why they've put it here. Doesn't make much sense to me. And now I've got some lovely wall plugs in the wall showing, so I'll have to drill them out and then fill them with a bit of mortar. Oh, camera's gone. So yeah, got to drill those, just put a bit of mortar in there, get rid of these clips and put the new sensor there. So we've got no twin and earth outside. As you can see, it gets brittle over time because it just gets broken down with the sun. Double check before I disconnect because you never know how they've set it up on the wiring. So blue's neutral, looks like yellow's permanent live and the red is the switch live. Yeah, better check there's no supply, don't get belt. Yeah, completely dead. Not me, this. It's a good job I'm not using that. So I've gone for this one, just like it because it's got quite a few features on it, plus they're pretty robust, these. The only downside is it's got two settings, which is time and light level, but you can put stuff on there, but I don't mind. I can switch it off inside and I can switch it off inside anyway, so it's not a big problem. Just going to go for the top entry just to keep the sensor a bit further down. Pushes through dead easy. Makes it a lot easier. Right, so look on the back, it says, oh, that's broke. It says top. So just make sure you put that to the top. Quite self-explanatory. Spirit level. Get it perfectly level. Try and go on the brick just because you get a better fixing. I use this marksman just because it makes it so much easier. Because it doesn't matter how deep the screw hole, the hole is to mark, when sometimes you can't get a pencil to mark this surface. So with that, it just works a treat. Right, nothing's rattling, so good sign. Just drill the holes. Okay, both holes drilled. Just see what these wall plugs are like. Normally I don't use the ones that come with it. They look half decent actually. I'll give them a go. It's not like I've popped back and replaced them if it doesn't work. That way it's your own house. Always tap them in, make sure they're flat against the brickwork. Otherwise, whatever you're screwing on will lift off a little bit. Okay, got some screws from the van. It's now time to finish off. Just making sure I haven't got too much cable. You have too much slack, it gets tricky trying to push this on afterwards. So just take a little bit of time first, and it makes all the difference at the end. Just do the tug test on the cables, make sure they don't pop out. Right, I'll just grab the camera so you can have a look. Up the ladder we go. As you can see, try not to leave too much slack. I'll have to grab some silicone just to run on the top to make sure no water goes in. Don't want it to start tripping now I fitted it. Wrong screwdriver. Too many screwdrivers. Tilt it down a bit, I think maybe a bit to the left. That's all done. I think it went quite smoothly considering it's my own house. Normally that's where everything goes wrong. What I'll do is I'll wait until night time and I'll switch it on, show you how it all works. And it's as simple as that. That's how you automate your outdoor lighting. Just going to see if it works now, the outside light. As you can see, comes on well, sensor works fine. Just got to change the outside lights to something a bit nicer. Anyway, that's me done.